so I'm cleaning out my refrigerator right now because I don't want it to get cluttered up. I went to go and get a lot of drinks yesterday because I wasn't at the day. It probably wasn't the day before. No, it was yesterday. Yesterday because we was running out of drinks. So I got the bin down here. I'll bring the camera down here in a few minutes so you guys can see. Actually cleaning it out. I was just watching Strong Mama Chris's video. It's crazy when you become bigger on YouTube. See, you see all this water and stuff spilled down. It's just hard to keep this stuff together. I put some water down there, you know, to clean it out. Just mixing up with the dirty water. You guys can see me down here. Trying to clean this thing out because I don't want it to get too bad. I always clean the refrigerator out at least once a week because, you know, things build up and you don't even realize it's stuff building up. Because you're just going about your week, you don't really pay no attention. Especially me having 4 kids. Yes? Especially me having 4 kids. It's hard to pay attention to so much at the time. Okay, put that up somewhere high. Because that's stuff that they don't need to get into. See if they got hold to the other one. See, it was that close to the edge. That's why they got that. Hey, Aaron, what you want? And what you need? Huh? I told y'all, Aaron ain't gonna never be too far behind from me. I put a little cap of, like a cap full of bleach in there. And I like my stuff to be sanitized. I don't like for it to be dirty and a mess. See, I'm gonna pour some water, a little bit of this bleach water down here. I had already poured a little bit of water down here to start it off. You're not gonna play in that bleach water. You're not gonna do that. I got Aaron down here want to play in the water. And the way this refrigerator is down here, it's kind of like hard to clean it because they got some stuff in here that's like kind of like screwed in here. So it's kind of like hard to get to certain parts. So that's why I put bleach, a little bit of bleach in here. Because it's kind of hard to pull apart. Don't pull it on there. This stuff is hard to pull apart. So you can't even pull it apart. You got to unscrew it to get to it. I see my 2-year-old and my 8-year-old back there getting it to it. My 2-year-old like to bother his sister. They fight with each other, and as soon as they're not around each other, they mess out of each other. You know, it's like that with kids. Because that's how me and my sisters and brothers were.
And they're brown with this.
Okay, put it somewhere up high. You know how we got to put stuff up high for them. I'm going to have to stop putting stuff on their dollhouse because they can reach up down there. So I got to find another high place to put stuff at. I kind of want to I was talking to Joynae's Love last night on her live. And I was on You Love Shawnee's live too last night. If you guys don't know her, or don't know Joynae's Love. Go by there, stop by that channel, guys. But I was watching. I was talking to Joyna's Love. What you got? Leave that alone. On her live last night, and she was telling me about different ways to clean like marks and stuff off the wall, because I use cleaning, and that sometimes works, but it seems like lately it haven't been working, because when I first moved in here, the comment was working, because my little kids, I got a little one, a 1 and a 2-year-old, when they get a hold to a pencil or something, they write right on that wall. So I have to keep cleaning it. Move this. I have to keep cleaning it. Anthony, you saying hey to the people? He's saying hey to y'all. Aaron, you can say hey, you just can't move the camera. You can say hey. They see you. It's a lot. You have to. It's hard with this refrigerator because you got to take the screws. It's like you got to take the screws loose to really get back there. So I'm trying to get as far back as I can to get those corners. Y'all helping me out? They take the parts out and all I got to do is wipe it down. They helping out in more ways than they know. Yep, they helping out in more ways than they know. I can't. These two is a mess. They like these two stuff. I can't break that part. Cause that part got to go back in there. And this part right here that I'm cleaning. It's the hardest part to clean to me. I mean, not hardest part to clean, but the hardest part to put back in the refrigerator after you clean it. That's what I mean to say. After you clean it, it's hard. It's the hardest part to put back in the refrigerator. It's so hard. But I just have to like sanitize this refrigerator and clean it out because I don't know what kind of germs going along there. Hey, you're gonna have to move because you're getting in the way. The little Pedialyte stuff. I always keep that around. Aaron, you're gonna have to move, son. Cause I got to put this in here, and it's glass, so you have to move. Whew. That part was hard to put in because I don't want to slide it in and then one of them come by and break the glass. That's what I always get nervous about when I clean it. And a lot of times, people tell me, you need to clean when they go to sleep. I do clean when they go to sleep, though. I try to get as much done as I can, but they beat and wore me out. They wear me out most of the day. So I end up getting tired with them. And going to sleep with them, because I have to get my rest, too. And when they take naps during the day, I try to take a short, brief little nap with them, because if I don't, I'm going to get wore out. I'm going to be very tired. So I just go ahead and try to take naps with them too. I take it this part going in the back since I got all this going on. Turn the light. Oh, got that. Gotta put all these juices back in there. I buy a lot of juice. I'd rather buy a lot of juice than a lot of soda. Not saying the juice is better, but I'd rather buy that than a lot of soda. Yes. Anybody ever tried this before? I've been drinking this. This aloe vera drink. This is strawberry aloe vera drink. I've been drinking this. And I have this aloe vera down here. The boys they moved it. I wanted to show you the other aloe vera I have, but I don't know where they put it. I gotta find that because I want to put it back in the refrigerator. Anyways, I got this Hawaiian punch. We always have Hawaiian punch. I keep my bread in the refrigerator. I don't keep it out because to me it stays fresh longer than me. Got some sauerkraut. I always keep some of that in the refrigerator. Got some butter. Keep that at the top. Eggs. And all that good stuff. Milk and all that. My baby love this yogurt. So I always buy like 3 or 4 tubs of yogurt. And then the ones that they get with that wick, I always get both of the ones that come with the wick. It was a lady that I know, she used to be close to me, and she used to run out of stuff, so I would give her some of our stuff, but I had to stop because I was telling her about WIC benefits that she qualified for them, and she was like, she didn't want to take the time out to go to the appointments, and she was home all day. I'm like, I had to just stop giving her stuff because I have to look out for my kids. It's alright to help people, but some people will take advantage of it. You got to help yourself too. You can't look for people just to help you all the time. You got to help yourself. You got to help yourself. You can't just be looking for handouts. As you know, God bless the child to have their own, you know. You can't be looking for people to do stuff for you. You got to take that step yourself. You got to be willing to take the steps yourself. And then people will be willing to help you more if they see you trying to help yourself. But I stopped giving her so much, and I eventually stopped giving to her, period, because she was taking advantage. Because her baby still can get WIC, because I don't know how he is now, but I know he's not 5 yet. He still can get it, and if they got resources out there to help you get it. Get it. Don't solely depend on them, but get it while you can. That's what I'm saying. You got an opinion on that topic, though, on assistance. But if you can afford it, get it. I mean, if you can get it, why not? Oh, I need to take this out and put that in. I don't know what I was thinking. I just wanted to help and get that in because that part is the hardest part to get in them. When you take it out. Because they got these things screwed down in here so good. Uh-oh. Let me put this up before I broke this. Uh-oh. I hope I ain't broke another hot sauce bottle. I cannot find it. I've been trying to avoid going to Sam's until I move. Because I don't want to take all that stuff with me when I move. This got to go in the trash. I don't want to take all that stuff with me when I move. So that's why I've been avoiding going to Sam's Club. And we got a lot of stuff in here anyways. I'm trying to get rid of everything we have in here before I do any really big bulk shopping. And I'm not bulk shopping until, Lord willing, we move. I'm not doing Sam's Club yet. And then that's another reason why I haven't renewed my car yet, because I want to wait, and then it'll be long. I have my car longer if I wait till we move. So that'll be another plus. I have my car longer, and I won't have all this stuff in here that I have to move when it's time to move. So yes, just go ahead and get it and put it. Where did you put it up? Put it up there for now. If you can find the other ones, put that up. I really wanted to use that, but it's all good. I clean it up. Get a towel and clean up as much as you can, and I'll come after you and clean up the rest.
I'm scared to go in that corner.
Alright, Ashley. But anyways, get that done. But this I pretty much got this thing done. Thank you guys for watching. I already got this video for long enough, so thank you guys for even taking time out to watch. God bless.